How to run Facebook ads the new way. The new way is going to generate better results than the old way of running Facebook advertising. In this video, we're going to jump into and do this specific thing right now. Who am I to teach you all this? I'm Jim. I've been running ads for 10 years and I've been teaching digital marketing to people, and I have over 400,000 students in Udemy. Let's jump into the platform, but before we jump in, I want to tell you one thing. To run this successfully, this new style of advertising on Facebook, you have to have an existing ad account that has at least 50 conversions. After you have 50 conversions, this method will work way better. If your ad account is brand new, you have no conversions whatsoever, I don't really suggest that. I suggest you test out some audiences first, test out some creatives, and you have a good idea of what type of creatives work better for you. Now, if that's all clear, let's jump into the platform. Now we are in the platform. The old way of running ads is we create a campaign. Let's say we are running an e-commerce campaign. We continue with that campaign, and you see two options. The old way was going with manual sales campaign, and the new way is going to be Advantage plus shopping campaign. What is the difference? This is more like a performance max campaign in Google Ads, but if you have no idea about Google Ads, I will explain what that means. This is going to take some control away from you. However, they will serve your ads to people who are more likely to convert based on the existing data of your ad account, mainly the conversion data. So that's why I suggest do not start with this right away if you have a brand new ad account. Let's go ahead and run this, how it works, guys. Well, I click on this. So in this way, guys, we have a campaign and ad set under the same section. The only difference is we have the campaign and the ad set section on the same page. So we literally have campaign and ad set in the same page, and in the next page we have the ads only. So we're going to choose the conversion place, which is going to be website in this case, and we're going to focus on number of conversions for now. And then after you select your pixel here, I don't suggest set a cost per goal yet. After you scale, you can put it. That will work really well, and I have one really specific strategy, setting cost per conversion goals, and you scale like crazy, and I have a video for this up there. Click on it and watch that video. Here, as you guys can see, audience location, you select that location, but like in the past, we cannot say people living in this location or people interested in this location. That is a little bit more specific. So once we go down, as you guys can see, we don't have that options that we select an audience. We cannot target a specific interest or specific behaviors like we used to do, right? So you just go down, you just scroll down, we have the reporting, we just scroll down, you set your daily budget, and it is totally up to you guys, your budget, whatever your case may be. And we have increase your budget during specific periods. This is also a new feature. You can try budget scheduling, but I really don't suggest if you're starting off at Advantage Plus shopping campaign from the scratch. Play around with this first. After you get some data, after you see your ads are converting really good at certain points, you can start scheduling that. So I suggest don't do it. The reason being is Advantage Plus shopping campaigns are really smart. They use this machine learning to determine where your audience is more likely to convert. So they're going to serve the ads more likely on those periods. And also keep that in mind, guys, a person is not going to buy right away when they first see your ads. You're probably going to have multiple touch points with that same user. Also keep that in mind. Now we go down, we have currently suggested ads. So in this case, I don't have suggested ads here because it's a brand new ad account, but after you've been running some ads, they will suggest you some ads that has been performing really well. So you literally have little to no control over. You can also select or deselect here. However, they literally say these ads perform really well, and I'm gonna pick and choose the audience that is gonna buy your product. So leave everything to me. And if we say next, we're gonna come to the ad section. As I said, campaign section and the ad section in the same place. Now this is the ad section. Now we can set our ad up, which is the ad name. You name your ad here, select your Facebook page, and then here you can choose to do catalog or a manual upload, or in the format section you can upload a single image, carousel, or a collection app. And we go down, we have the creative section, which is like exactly the same as we used to do it, which is like nothing is changing whatsoever, and you select the tracking. This is the new way, but the caveat, you can publish it right away here. The only reason I tell you to use this, you have to have, as I said, at least 50 conversion. This is not a number given by Meta. This is the number that I found out by testing hundreds of different ad accounts and using this Advantage Plus shopping campaign. And if your ad account is older than 1 year, guys, and you have been spending consistently in that period and you've been getting conversions in your ad account, I can promise you Advantage Plus shopping campaign is going to outperform your manual original campaign that you select audiences in the ad set level. This always outperforms the other audience, the other campaign type. The only caveat here, as I said, if you don't have any conversions, this campaign type will struggle. Keep that in mind. Hope you found something useful. If you found something useful, don't forget to smash that like button so this reaches to more people who are into Facebook ads. See you in the next one.